What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kels here, and we have a birthday haul. So this is a birthday haul, or what I got for my birthday. Some of these gifts are from friends, some of these things I bought myself while I was traveling, but I'm going to try to share all of it in only one video, not two videos. Share it all with you. I didn't buy as much this year, I don't think, but I guess you'd be the judge. You can compare to last year. So let's get right into it. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. And if you're wondering what you're gonna see on this here channel, let me tell you. You're gonna see luxury, lifestyle, fashion, travel, and all around joy. Why? Because joy is life and life is living, and that is what we plan to do. Okay. You can hear the fans. I am so sorry. The heater's going because, you know, it's cold. So the heater's going. I put some lights up in the back, which I may keep forever because I think they're so cute. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so I wrote some things down, just to keep some things straight, but the one thing that I got a lot of was booze. Wine, champagne. This actually, so my friend got me some little booze and stuff like that, but this bottle's actually from a flight attendant on one of the airlines. I told her it was my birthday and some things had happened. There's gonna be a video about that, but some stuff had happened and she was like, happy birthday. And I was like, thank you so much, thank you. And this is actually from France, so it's the good stuff. Okay, I got the blue satiny pajamas and matching slippers. I have the slippers. Oh, they're too far. I'm just gonna put them in here. I got this set. It's like 5 pieces. It's shorts, top, pants, dress, robe, and then these fuzzy slippers. The slippers are thebomb.com. I also got, and I love this and I haven't been able to use it yet, but a gold bar kit. I have a bar cart, and so, you know, on it I have some glasses and bottles, and I had some tools, but now I have one that's gold. It has everything in it. It is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. It's something weird to get excited about, but I wanted it, and so I'm excited about it. Next thing I got is a heated blanket, which I have used more than I thought I would. I get cold, but I've never thought to have a heated blanket. It's really pretty. It's like a marbly color with the gray and the white. It gets really hot. There's different settings, so there's warm, medium, and hot, or something like that, or something like warm, low, medium, high. But I always put it on high, and now I've been putting it on the medium settings. It does get pretty hot, and then I'm sweating. But if you ever wonder hey, what should I get somebody for a gift? If somebody's cold, definitely get them a heated blanket. I love that thing. Firing off, one of my friends got me some Instax film. I have a camera and a printer, so in case I don't want to bring the camera, I can actually print from my phone. I was out of film, so my friend got me a bunch of these. It was also on my wish list, and so I'm very grateful for that. Okay, let's keep rocking, let's keep rolling. My other friend gave me a Sephora gift card. Shout out to her. I love me a gift card. If you know me, you know I love me a gift card, because then I could shop at my own convenience. I could find something I like later on. I love that. I love that for me. Oh, what's in my eyeball? Yeah, I have a lash appointment tomorrow because my lashes, it's been 3 weeks, and they are growing out and falling out and doing their thing. So if my lashes look weird, that's why. Okay, I have another friend that gave me a candle, but I also got this really cool book. It's called Burn After Writing. And I was like, what is this? What is this journal thing? And it's I don't know if you could see, can you see? I've been writing in this thing. I took it on the plane. It was so great. It asks you questions like top 5 most amazing experiences. Let me find one where I actually answered it. It'll say my life in trivia, so birthplace, siblings, social class, occupation, zodiac sign, allergies. What else? Some of these are something I've wished for repeatedly, my dream job, my favorite food. I did skip around, so these aren't even in order or anything. And then one is you know, circle your pledges, I vow to, or put an X by all the things you've done, and it'll be like skinny dipping, I don't know, poker, roulette, I don't know. What would it make, on a scale of 1 to 10, how happy am I with my life? And then what would make it a 10? It's like a follow-up question. So I love this. Shout out to my friend for getting me this. That was it's a gift I didn't know that I needed. All right, now let's get into some candy. Okay, so one gift I got was from Swarovski. And it's this cute bracelet, so it unlocks like so. And then on the front, like, can you see that? She is a beauty, honey. I almost fell out when I saw it. Like, I was like, yes, because I like to layer, so I'll layer her with my other silver jewelry. But I love this because I have Kate Spade jewelry that looks just like this, but in like that gold and has like the leaf. But this one is just like blinging, and I love it. Like, I was really shocked. I think she got it in Paris, so I was like, bougie on top of bougie. We like that for us. All right, this next gift I also got. It's a Brandon Blackwood bag. It's actually, let me tell you a funny story. The first one broke in Egypt just for no reason. But shout out to Brandon Blackwood. They sent another one. Everything has fallen out now. And here she is. We're going to do a real unboxing now, like for real on the camera. Let's pull her out. Look at this color. Look at her. Can you see? Did it show up? Did it show up? Yes. This color is beautiful. All right. Everything looks good. This part is the little part that broke. This little snappity guy right here. The strap is in there. Okay. Oh, that new bag smell. Oh, it's giving me life. It is giving me life. Now, wait, see, now look, I'm trying to close it back, and now, don't be acting up now. I can't even get it to close, y'all. Lord. Am I getting defective? Oh, there we go. I was like, am I getting defective bags? I'm not trying to talk bad about Brandon Blackwood at all, but this is my first bag, so I can only go up based on my first experience. It's beautiful. She is cute. She holds more than you think, which I love. My phone could fit in there. My phone's not that big, so... And I needed me a black designer. So I'll let you know how this goes. I'm going to wear this bag again. I guess this is my color now because I have my Jordans back there, and then I have something else in this color or similar color. So you'll see it in a minute. Okay, so something I picked up in Jordan came from this brand. They have a gold market, and so I picked up a gold bracelet. Come on, focus. Yep. That I got. They inscribed it with my name free of charge and took some links out because it's too big. I think it might still be a little too big. Like, it fits right here perfectly, but I like it more here. So I don't know. I'm gonna see how I feel. Maybe take some more links out, but I love it. I was like, I can't go to Jordan and not get some gold. Like, everyone knows I get gold from Jordan. Check out my Jordan vlog, my Cairo vlog, my Wadi Rum vlog, there's gonna be a London shopping vlog, all these things. And some of these things I did get there. So let's keep going. In no particular order, I'm just gonna start firing them off. Okay, Saint Laurent. This, and I was not gonna get this, but my SA, who was so sweet, packed it up all nice for me. And I was like, you know, I was in Chicago. I was like, let me just go see. Oh, she always packs my stuff up so sweet for me with the little stickers. I was like, let me just see, you know, let me just see. And I got this gorgeous bag. It's so funny because it kind of looks, it's like a reddish. I think there's a tiny orange undertone because it's not like a blue red, but I was like, this is so cute. It is the Toy Lulu, and it has silver hardware. And, you know, at first I was like, I wasn't really into that. I love that you could take the handles off or the strap off, because I could put like a little top handle on this. I've been known. I have my, where's my other one? My small Lulu up there, and I love it. And I'll tell you why I got this. I love this bag. Like, the leather looks really good. I, inspected it when I was there. I was like, okay, everything looks good. I know some people have been having problems with the leather. I did get this at the outlet. I don't know what is up with this outlet. I call it my outlet even though I don't really live there. My outlet is the bomb. It has the regular stuff in there. And not like everything, but like I'm getting the Lulus and stuff. And I'm a fan. I'm an Uber fan. I have to open the other thing so you can see why I got this. Oh, let me not even close this all the way. Saint Laurent. And you're going to see why. Oh, look at these cute little bags. There's these extra laces. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Give it to me. And it's so funny because when I saw the picture, I was like, I guess I'll try them. Like, I want the white ones, but I guess I'll try them. Tried on the white ones, I didn't love them. Tried on these. And I was just having a field day with these. Look at these. Do you see that? They're cute. I love that they're just a little tiny Saint Laurent. But it's just like a black and white. I want to call it cheetah polka dot. It's not really a polka dot, but it's like a cheetah. I tried these on. And I was like, oh my God, these are so cute. I love the black laces and they come with white ones. But the minute I held these shoes up with this here bag, and I was like, oh, that's the same color right there. And I likes to match. So I was like, okay, I'm going to get both. I was like, oh, I like these shoes. And I was like, but the bag matches and that's just going to be that's just going to be perfect. So I got both. Happy birthday to me. And of course, she kept me nice and juiced with the good juice as I was shopping. That's why I love her. Look, she's always like, would you like a beverage? I was like, you already know. Give me a beverage. It's so crazy because I do want a red bag that's like a top handle, kind of like this one here. Just a little bit smaller, but like a true red. And I've just kind of been looking around. I went to Louis Vuitton in London, saw one, but I just did not want to pay that much money. If I'm being honest, like that much money could buy me 2 bags and 2 pairs of shoes for the 1 bag. And I was like, I just don't want to do it. I'd rather have more things that I like than like one thing. I don't know, quantity over quality, but the quality of this is still good. So it's a win-win. Anyways, before I talk too much, because again, I don't want this to be too long, but when I saw that, I knew I had to get it because it's literally like, I felt like it was just meant to be. Like, I wasn't really feeling anything. I was like, oh, this has silver. I like wearing gold. Maybe I'm going to mix my metals. But with the shoes, I was like, this is now a fit. I put these 2 things with anything and it's a fit now. So we're going to do it. Next is LV. They're doing their whole like Lego thing, which I just think is super cute and random and hilarious. We have that. Let's open her up. Oh, I don't even want to take this bow off. Let's try to take it off cutely, shall we? Oh my God. Come on. There we go. Oh, yeah, came off really nice. And these, as you can probably tell, are shoes because of this little thing here. And these I didn't think like I was gonna like. I didn't even come in there for these shoes. But I didn't really see like anything else that really grabbed my attention. And I saw these because I love a good shoe. These LVs, the sneakers that I have, love those. And I was like, you know what? It is always summertime basically here. So I got these. They're just so different. Like I have nothing. Let me make it so you can see it. I have literally nothing like these, like nothing in my entire anything like these. And I was like, oh, this is going to be cute with, you can't really see them, but any like my LV on the go tote and these, and we're just on the go. They're just so, I don't know. I like fell in love with them. And I don't know if it's like the whole, like kind of like the dad sandal trend or whatever, but I was like, you know what, if I'm going to be comfortable and also cute, then like why not? And plus I'll wear these more. Like I saw boots that I like, but I'm not going to get to wear boots enough because where I live, it just is not cold long enough for me to justify expensive boots and coats, really. Me dropping $1,000 on a coat, it makes no sense. I get to wear it for like 1 month, maybe. Or maybe like a month and a half if I'm traveling to somewhere cold. But these bad boys, I could wear for a good like 8 months. She's cute. Let me look at the other one. Oh yeah. Oh, she's a beauty. Oh, fresh. I got these in 39.5 because I wanted to be extra roomy. And it's not extra roomy. It's just that they were, I don't know, they were just little tightesies, you know? I'm like, oh, this could fit. But when I tried these, I was like, oh, these are nice. Let's keep rocking and rolling.